Your phone somehow knows exactly where you touch the screen, even though you're barely applying any pressure at all, and somehow water and gloves completely confuse it. The reason this works is honestly kind of insane. Your phone is basically tracking tiny electrical changes caused by a finger. Yeah, your body is part of the touchscreen. Inside your screen is an invisible grid of electrical signals constantly moving across the display. Your phone keeps checking this grid thousands of times every second. Normally, everything is balanced, but the second your finger touches the screen, your finger slightly absorbs some of that electrical charge. And because humans are conductive creatures, the phone notices the exact location where the signal changed. That's why touchscreens don't need pressure. You're not pushing a button. The screen is basically watching electricity move around and going, yep, finger detect. And this is why normal gloves usually don't work. The electrical signals from your body can't properly reach the screen, so your phone just sees nothing. Touchscreen gloves actually have conductive material in the fingertips, so electricity can still pass through. So your phone basically gets tricked into thinking close enough, probably a human. And water is even worse because water can conduct electricity too. Your screen starts detecting touches that don't exist. That's why your phone starts having a full mental breakdown in the rain. Older touchscreens actually worked completely differently. They used pressure. When you pressed the screen, two layers physically touched each other. That's why old screens need force, and also why they felt absolutely terrible. Modern touchscreens are way smarter because the screen tracks changes across an entire grid. It can detect multiple fingers at once. That's how pitch to zoom works. And somehow we all just accepted this black magic and moved on. Every single tap, swipe, and scroll is your phone measuring microscopic electrical changes in real time, thousands of time per second, which honestly makes the screen way cooler than, yeah, you press glass and stuff happens. So the next time your screen refuses to work with gloves on, just remember your phone isn't detecting pressure, it's detecting you.